guys, today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Waplog app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here in this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go here above the sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on notifications. So then you go down here, then you come here to photo comments. Just click in this sign or this color, like you see here color, it's gone. That's my photo comments disabled with us now for notifications. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you are get it. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.